Hey there, you are in the right place. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix no internet connection problem on your Temu app. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. If your connection seems unstable, try restarting your router or switching Wi-Fi and mobile data. And another way is to restart your mobile device. This simple step can often resolve connectivity issues. And of course, update the Temu app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if there is a new version of the app available. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. And there's more. Try to clear the app cache. Just long press the app and then tap App Info and go to the storage and clear cache. Ensure that your device date and time settings are correct. Go to Settings, System, or just search it. Date and time. And enable automatic date and time. The date and time settings are important because many apps, including Temu, rely on accurate device time to synchronize with their servers. And that's it. By following this step, you should be able to fix no internet connection problem on your Temu app. I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching and take care.